All right, I'm gonna show you 6 tips to improve your working flair today. Tip number 1, if you keep the bottle upright, not upside down, you're gonna make less spills. So if I throw behind my back, I keep the bottle up, I bring it here, keep it up behind my head. The pour spout is always facing the ceiling. If I do wanna turn the bottle over, then I do that while it's in my hand. I don't have to throw it, I just swing it over like this. When I'm throwing the bottle, I'm holding it by the body of the bottle. So when I catch by the body of the bottle. Catch by the body, around the head, behind, over, behind the back again, here, shadow pass, anything you want, keep the bottle upright. The same goes if you're doing bottle tin, you keep the bottle upright, the tin can do whatever you want, the bottle staying upright. See, and they make much less spills. Huh? Keep the bottle upright. If you want to perform working flair rolls, such as the roll down the arm, the chances are you're gonna spill it. So my top tip is if you're gonna perform rolls in working flair, start off by using a shaker and perform assisted rolls. So the roll down the arm, the bottle goes inside the shaker and you assist the roll. You assist the roll down the arm. Anything that spills ends up inside the shaker. You could also do this rolling up your arm, and back down again. Again, any spills? It's inside the shaker. This is a good one that most of the pros should know. When you're practicing, tape up your pour spout. You get minimal to no spillage from the pour spout. And some of you will be saying, yeah, but then you're not gonna know when you're gonna be spilling. Of course, you don't practice like this forever. This is so you can get used to how the bottle is moving and practicing the moves without you getting soaking wet. Then if you wanna change the pour spout to another bottle, you're just gonna cut it off. There you go, the pour spout is ready for another bottle. And then you just tape up again. Easy peasy, tapey poury. Next up is keep it short. It's very tempting to make a nice long bottle and tin routine and keep it going and keep risking, because the more you flair, the more confident you get. And then what tends to happen is you make more spills. Be sure to keep it short and sweet, especially when you're behind the bar. Just needs to be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it short and sweet and you will see bigger and better results in your working flair. All right, number 5 is slow it down. If we take our time with our flair, it gives us more time to react to what is happening. If you perform one move at a time, so behind the back, switch, swipe, change, over, swipe again, behind the back, and take it nice and slow so you can focus on one move at a time, you will make much less spills, much less drops, and it will look so much better behind the bar. All right, my 6th and final tip here is keep it simple. Up to a handstool, that's fine. Half a spin behind the head, swipe and pour. This is fine. If you start simple, you will build your confidence, you will make less mistakes, and then you can start trying more extravagant and more difficult tricks. If you do all the focus ends up going on the moves and not on entertaining your guests, which is what flair bartending is all about. So, keep it simple, stupid. Following those 6 tips, I'm gonna show you 3 routines that you can use behind your bar with a bottle and a tin. I'm gonna go from easy to advanced. So, let's get started. First routine looks like this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we're gonna start with a half a spin behind our head. So first, just do that. Just pass it to your hand for now, and as you get more confident, you can do a throw. So once you've caught behind your head, you bring the shaker down here, you pick the bottle up in what we call a tennis grab or a reverse grip, and you're gonna swipe underneath through your arm, okay? Now obviously you can't swipe through your arm, so you have to throw and make a gap. As you throw, there's a gap here. So you throw up and bring your arm through the gap, up, through the gap. When you throw the shaker, you're gonna do half a spin and catch it in bear grab, like this. So you're gonna do half a spin, catch it in bear grab. Then turn the bottle over quickly, we call that Jason. Change grab into bear grab, and then you can go into pour. Behind the head, swipe, change position of the shaker, change position of the bottle, over and pour. One last time. The second routine looks like this. And the liquid is inside the shaker. This time we're starting with the behind the back. Half a spin. You're gonna grab the shaker by the top of the shaker, put your hand behind your back, palm facing up like so, and you're gonna just do a half a spin and catch in your hand. From there, you're gonna pick up the bottle and bear grab, and you're gonna change the position of the shaker, half a spin, goes in bear grab, like so. You'll do a swipe, and as you do the swipe, you come over the top, you cut through your arm, and you throw the shaker up so you can swipe through. Once you get to here, you're gonna throw the bottle up and change position into tennis grab, and then you're gonna do another swipe, but backwards through, so you're gonna come underneath your arm. Again, you have to throw that shaker up to come through. Then you come over into a pour. I'm just gonna change bottles quickly to show you this. Over into a pour and grab with your pinky, and if you want, you can grab with your ring finger as well. As you come over into the pour, 1, 2, push down, then turn the bottle over, 1, 2, and then you catch the shaker in the opposite hand. Once more, behind the back, change position, bottle, swipe, change, swipe, pour, 1, 2, and catch in the other hand. Yes. Right, the third routine, the most advanced routine, looks like this. First one, grab the shaker in a bear grab, open end facing up. You're gonna learn to spin that shaker off of your fingers. You're gonna roll it off of your fingers like this and roll it up your arm. You want it to drop behind your back. So you lean forward to let it drop behind your back and catch it in the other hand behind your back, like so. From there, you're gonna pick up the bottle from the speed rail, but you're gonna put your hand out, turn it over, so turn your thumb away from you, it's very awkward. You're gonna grab the bottle like this. You're gonna twist over once, and then when you come over, you're gonna throw it very gently like this and catch it like so. Come down behind your back, up in front of you, and you're gonna catch in bear grab to the side. But wait, there is things happening still with the shaker that we need to still break down. You're gonna throw the bottle up back to front and bring the shaker to this side, to your left side. Then you're gonna throw the shaker over your arm and you're gonna go straight into a pour. Twist, swipe, throw, back to front, throw the shaker, over to pour. Now, if you wanna add an extra move in there, we're gonna add a thumb roll. We do twist, swipe, throw. Once we've caught the bottle, we're gonna do a thumb roll. That's gonna bring the shaker back and we're gonna throw the bottle up and catch in bear grab. Remember, we're in this position, but over here. Throw the shaker over the top of the arm, come into the pour. So it's twist, swipe, throw, thumb, throw, pour. Yes. From the beginning once more, roll. Oh, that was a nice one. Change position, twist, swipe, throw, thumb roll, throw, pour. Yes. So there we have it, 6 tips to improve your working flair skills. Try it out for yourself and let me know how you get on in the comments. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, or if you need further assistance, you can consider joining my PRO FLAIR group, where I'm your mentor, your coach, your confidant, and your trainer. It's £35 a month, and you get included in the group, in the community, where you have access to ask me any questions, get my help and advice on your FLAIR skills, and more tips overall. You can also join my YouTube membership channel, where you can get access to videos early. There's currently about 18 videos on my channel that you can join up and get access to today. But anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, see you then.